Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. To the channel, if you're guys working on a transmission such as 6T30, 6T35, 6T40, 6T45, 6T50 guys, and you're trying to find your transmission filter guys, especially if you have generation 2, I think generation 1 might be the same way. Your transmission oil filter guys will be in a very unusual place. So stay with us guys, we're going to share everything from weird stories that dealership told them that they need the transmission removed to replace it, to people just saying you need to remove the oil pan. So we'll cover all that and you will know the truth by the end of this video. Now we'll guys have more than 200 videos on every vehicle, every engine, every transmission we get at the shop. Why guys? Because our goal is to save you guys as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. This 6T30, 35, 40, 45 transmission is used in many General Motors, Buick vehicles as well as Opel. This is the transmission guys. All of them are about the same. What they differ is the duty of the transmission, how much horsepower they can handle and all that stuff. This is the transmission right there, everything taken apart. So first guys, okay, we remove the oil pan and this is the transmission pan guys, out of there you can see. And once you remove it, okay, you expect to find a filter, right? Usually you remove the pan, you find a filter, but what we have is actually the solenoid body right here. This is the solenoid control body, this is the transmission computer. So far guys, okay, you don't see anything resembling a filter. We started removing more things, we got to the valve body of the transmission right here. Again, nothing. So, how we know guys, okay, how we know where the filter is. Now, according to some stores online, they sell a filter guys for that transmission. And there is a real filter, so make sure you stay until the end. But the filter that they sell, okay, it's that piece right here with that mesh. Okay, and you can just gently pull that thing out. Okay, and you can see this is guys considered a filter, right? So, in my opinion, that's nothing, and you can wash it yourself. Now, if that screen is broken, replace it, of course. But inside, okay, you're going to find the solenoids right here, and on each of the solenoid you have a filter mesh as well. These ones guys, you can clean them as well. You can see on each one of them, okay, you have that. So this is another thing that you can consider as a filter, okay, on this model. However guys, okay, we were surprised that we cannot find the real filter, and online you can find it actually in the menus that the filter exists. And this is the transmission. We cannot take more apart here. The only way that we can take things apart is actually if we remove the transmission out of the car, remove the torque converter and go through the oil pump. One guy, I read that he took the car to a dealership, they told him that the transmission needs to be removed out of the vehicle so they can change, okay, so they can change the filter. People told him he's crazy, the dealership is not right, but actually he is guys. The dealership is correct in this situation, because that filter, okay, now let me show you where that filter is located. I have it open on the computer here, okay, let me show you quick. I have the diagram open on the computer and you're going to notice, okay, let me turn the light off so you can see a little bit better. This is the transmission oil pump. This is on the torque converter, on the torque converter side, and this guys is your oil pump, and there is a filter on the bottom of the oil pump. Okay, that's your transmission filter where it sucks the oil, but unfortunately there is no way to replace that one. That's why it's considered a not replaceable item on this transmission. But what I would recommend guys, change your fluid more often. I think the manual says on some vehicles 45, some 60,000 miles. I wouldn't go more than 30,000 miles in my opinion. Why? Because the cleaner you keep the oil, okay, the longer that filter will be good. So hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to some of you having the 6T30, 35, 40, 45 and 50 transmission. Please hit that subscribe Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.